United Russia je grov d superscript 2 ɪ́dģi rp grov s superscript 2 ɪ́dģi is the ruling political party of Russia and has been since the early years of Vladimir Putin's presidency. United Russia is the largest party in Russia, and as of 2021 it holds 336 of the 450 seats in the State Duma, having constituted the majority in the chamber since 2007. The party formed in December 2001 through a merger of the Unity and the Fatherland, All Russia parties. United Russia, along with the party A Just Russia, supports the policies of President Vladimir Putin. Putin, despite not being the official leader of United Russia, operates as its de facto leader. Since 2006, United Russia's popularity has been on the decline. The party peaked at a 64.4% in the 2007 Duma elections and gradually began falling to 49.32% in the 2011 elections. Despite the loss, it remained the most popular party in the country ahead of the second-placed Communist Party of the Russian Federation at 19.19%. In the 2016 elections, it received 54.2%, while the second-place Communist Party received 13.3%. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.